Welcome to virtual office training. Today I am going to teach you how to increase computer speed. I will teach you 4 ways to increase computer speed. First technique is click start menu, go to the run command and type msconfig and click OK. It will display a dialog box. Go to the startup tab. In startup tab, when your computer start, these program automatically uh, will be start, and uncheck all the programs except antivirus. Antivirus is necessary to start at startup. When your computer start, antivirus will be automatically start. It is a good thing. And click OK. It will ask you to restart your computer, and just click restart. I'm not going to restart. That's why I select exit without restart. The second technique is just click start, go to the run command and type prefetch, prefetch, and it will display all the files. Select all the files and delete it. There is no file because I have already deleted all the files. And the third technique is click start menu at go to the run command and type %temp%. It will display in temporary file. Just select all and delete these files. It will increase your computer speed. I'm not going to delete these files in that time, but you have to delete all the files. And the fourth technique is right click at my computer and go to the properties. Then it will display a dialog box. Go to the advanced, and in advanced tab there is a performance tab, and go to the setting and adjust for best performance. Check this button and it will increase your computer speed, because it is adjust for best performance. Click OK. Now your computer will be very fast. See you next lecture.